How to use UpCounsel Startup Legal Properly. Beginner mistakes that cost you. Many startup founders assume they can simply hire a lawyer on UpCounsel and leave the rest to chance. But the surprising truth is that beginners often make mistakes that cost money, time, and legal protection. The first mistake is posting vague project descriptions. UpCounsel connects you to attorneys, but beginners who don't clearly specify the services needed, like contract drafting, protection, or funding agreements, risk receiving proposals from the wrong experts. Be precise. Another common error is ignoring attorney profiles and reviews. UpCounsel shows experience, past cases, and client feedback, but beginners who skip these details may hire someone unfamiliar with startups or your industry. Compare profiles carefully. Many users fail to communicate expectations upfront. Define timelines, deliverables, and fee structures to avoid delays or unexpected costs. Clear communication prevents misunderstandings that can derail early-stage startups. Ignoring multiple proposals is another pitfall. Beginners who accept the first offer may miss more experienced or cost-effective attorneys. Review bids, ask questions, and choose the best fit. Finally, some assume UpCounsel handles all legal decisions. While it simplifies access to attorneys, founders must still review advice, confirm compliance, and make strategic choices. Blind reliance can lead to costly mistakes. To use UpCounsel Startup Legal Properly, post clear project details, review attorney profiles, communicate expectations, compare proposals, and actively participate in legal decisions. Avoid these mistakes, and your startup will benefit from expert guidance efficiently and securely.